In today's video, we're going to add something to our hard hat. So as you can see, I already have the earmuffs attached. This is another thing that I always have to really use in a lot of situations. So I got this today. It was on sale, 10 bucks less. It is rechargeable. So this is a Milwaukee light that is, compatible with the hard hat that they have. So let's actually cut this open and then see what we got. So first thing, we got the light, and then we've got the band, and then we've got the charger. It's a USB to USB-C, and then we've got this mount clip here, and 3 more of those. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's that. I'm not sure how these work, right? But this thing slides right into the helmet here, so you don't have to add anything extra. This is pretty heavy. This is metal construction. That's pretty nice. Let's go through the light here. Now this has a turning ability, so you can turn this around to focus on your workplace. There is a flap here for you to charge this device. It's a USB-C like they gave us. You can close the flap, and then that'll make sure dust and stuff doesn't go through. And then we have the power button and then a mode button. So when you turn the power on, it lights up and it's pretty bright. And right now, as you can see, there's a spotlight, and then we can cycle through the mode. Let me see what happens with the power. If you just press the power, it just turns on and off, which is very nice. You don't have to cycle through things. And then if I press mode, it dims up, but still a spotlight. And then this is the other light here, out of the 2. Not sure you can see anymore, but this one is a broader light. It just shines in every direction, the square light. And then this is the dimmer version of that, in case you need to dim this down. And then we've got one that can do both. So we have the spotlight and you have the floodlight. And then we've got the spotlight again, and then dim again, floodlight, floodlight dimmed. So we got 4 options here. If you keep pressing, 5 options. If you want, you can do both as well. So if you keep cycling through mode, that's what it's going to be. So for me, most cases, I'll probably need the broader light but dimmed version. I'll leave it at that, and then let's turn it off. Let's see if it remembers what we picked, so I don't have to cycle back, and it does. So that's pretty nice. Pretty great light. It has a pretty nice glow here around the power button when you turn it on and off. It's pretty nice. And let's actually put this on the helmet and then see how this goes. Currently, the headlight is on. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, there are 2 ways you can put this on. However, I put it with the band around the entire hat. So you can take this off and on whenever you need to. The other way is to use the mount that they gave us, which is in front of the helmet here. After searching online and stuff, because I couldn't figure this out, you basically use this strip here, which came with the hat. And I was wondering what this was, but basically you loop this around here, and then you take the band off, obviously, or you don't put the band at all, and then you can just put it on the hard hat, and then you have it permanently sitting on the hard hat. You could take it out, but it's just gonna be steps to take it off, and it's not gonna be a regular thing. But since I don't carry the helmet all the time, I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave it like this. Everything else is still functional. The earmuffs are functional and everything. The pencil holder is also functional. So everything is good to go. This is kind of what it looks like. pretty chill. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.